Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another mukbang video for you guys. Today I'll be having the Egusi soup, Nigerian Egusi soup. I made them with some cow skin, beef, a little bit of stockfish and dry fish. So I'll be eating it with oatmeal semo. Yeah, this size, not so big. So today you're just going to hear strictly eating sound, no talking, no gisting, because in my last video I was called out by some viewers that I was talking while eating, that it is not allowed. So today it's just going to be strictly eating sound. Okay, maybe once in a while you might hear one of my children's voice in the background, but you know I have kids, so I can't help it. So guys, let's get right into this video. That is sorry, I'm trying to be fast. As you can see, I've cleared my plates, all done. I have to be fast because I have kids who will always come and disturb me. So guys, we are done with this mukbang video, egusi soup and oat fufu. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.